Party on! If it's from Shane's World, you know it has to be party-perfect fun. Introducing Shane's World Sparkle Vibes, a powerful new pleasure toy from California Exotic Novelties. This satiny smooth personal vibe is seamless, glitter finished, and designed for fun. And the powerful multi-speed vibrations will really get the party started. Using your Shane's World Sparkle Vibes couldn't be easier. Twist the battery compartment open at the base with a counterclockwise twist. Insert one new AA battery, making sure to follow the plus and minus directions. Then close the compartment securely with a clockwise twist. The speed and intensity of vibration is controlled at the base of the vibe. Just a little or a whole lot, it's your choice. The Shane's World Sparkle Vibes is made from safe and pure ABS plastic. It measures 4.5 inches long with the width of 1 inch. This party-perfect vibe is available in sparkly pink, blue, purple, and green. What could be more fun? For maximum pleasure, always use a water-based lubricant or California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Lube. Remember to clean your Shane's World Sparkle Vibes before and after each use with mild soap and warm water, or with our preferred California Exotic Novelties Universal brand toy cleaner. Please don't submerge this vibe as it is not waterproof. Remember to remove the batteries when not in use to preserve their life and to maintain peak performance of your unit. You're hot, sexy, and ready to party. All you need now is your Shane's World Sparkle Vibes from your good friends at California Exotic Novelties.